I need to free VO buff. Yes, you are meant to free that stuff. Makes sense. Put that down. Probably not that. And then we'll free that. Okay. Cool. What's your problem now? You're so needy. Okay, that looks promising. These re-encodes look like they're happening a lot faster. Apparently too fast. Too hot to handle. The send frame. Yo, what you got against my send frame? Yeah, okay. That's fair. That's fair. So we will have to make this atomic just so that I can load it from here. Ah, shit. No, this is fine. This is fine. This, I think. So if we load the start value, other threads can change that. I don't think, so the thing that I'm worried about is if start and end can leapfrog each other. The only way that can happen is end wraps around, because start will always be behind us. It can't be incremented past us. Ooh, but it can be the case that where index 2 and start is index cap -1, and then start comes back down and becomes index 0. Which is a problem. So the problem here is that start can indeed be greater than count. Since we have a ring buffer here, it can easily be the case that the element behind us is actually in front of us in terms of indices, but it's behind us because like logically it's behind us, but it's in front of us in the actual buffer. It's just behind us in the ring. We need to check both end and count. End and count. That's actually kind of hard to say. What's a good way of doing that? I think this should just be not equal. I think that's all I have to do. I just have to wait until it's my turn. Like, I think that's all I have to do. That's concerning, though. That's very concerning. I don't like that at all. Oh, that's bad. That's quite bad. We've got invalid timestamp jumps. Invalid timestamp. Hey, we got 22 frames a second though. That's quite nice. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Yeah, we'll do that in a moment. Why would that be happening? Invalid, so error in MOV when sending a video packet. Why is my format name? Oh, the move file, yeah. AV interleaved right frame. Video packet. Oh, we already have a mutex here. What do you know? I don't think we need this. Oh, no, we do need this. Actually, we do very much need that. Because of the audio thread. We're not sending anything to... Is the codec? The codec should be fine. What's interesting is that it started becoming corrupt. Like, it started okay. Like, the first... Maybe it didn't start okay. It's good to know that the idea kind of works. We definitely bumped our frame count, though not by much, unfortunately. That's quite sad. Surely when it's doing the scale, it is actually writing the data to frame data. I don't think we need to keep the original buff around. This is interesting. I don't think that's right. I think that's wrong, even. How do we do this? Because I think we just increment it by 1, right? We do not. Fuck. I think we need to write the PTS into the... not into the frame, but into the same space as the frame. Like just before it. So I think what we need to do is something like... Once I get this out of my keyboard... Okay, it's maybe now in my keyboard. Okay, fantastic. So here we need not just the buff, struct frame, I guess, video frame. And then struct video frame is just that and a PTS. Okay, that's all fine. Okay. And then here we want like that, right? No. 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 Frame size should be the size of the buffer in the frame, not the size of this dumbass thing. I don't want to have to do the serialization myself. Not that it's hard, I just don't want to have to do it. Is there a good way of avoiding that? I don't know if there is. I might have to think about that some other time. Let's undo all this though. Whoops. So we have frame size and we have oh, hang on. There's more shit. What's going on here? Okay, cool. I mean, I could just have them here. It'd be nice to have them inline though. This is easier. VOPTS and VO and equals PTS, I guess. Something like that.